Look, everybody, it's Sizzle's Brawl Stars.
No! Cut that.
Face reveal.
Hey, it's at 5K.
All right, we gotta make some cookies. So we'll get all the ingredients because we're not like trying to face reveal and stuff. All right, so we got this margarine stuff in vegetable butter. Then we got some sugar, more sugar, chocolate chips, flour. I don't think we need anything else. Wait. Oh, we need an egg.
How do you make the eggs? It's like flaxseed and milk, right?
No, water.
Water. Okay.
All right, we'll do that right now. We're actually making our own recipe. We're not following any recipe. So, we didn't know if it was baking soda or baking powder. But this one has cookies on it. So I feel like it might be this one. So we gotta make this
Fingers crossed.
flax egg now. So, oh my god, almost face reveal there. That was close.
Oh, you're edging them.
Yo.
Oh.
You want to put it in?
Sure. I'm good for just one.
Yeah. Okay, that should be good. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Look at that hand vein.
What?
1 tablespoon of water.
Oh yeah.
It was balancing.
Oh.
2 tablespoons. We'll just mix it with the back.
Oh, but a skilled chef.
Oh, they can't. It's gonna pour if I show you. Wait, actually, I can just go like.
No.
Oh, all right, put it back.
Oh, okay.
All right, now that's supposed to sit for like 5 minutes. Okay. So we got. Oh shit. All right, butter. All right, so we ooh, etching the camera there. How much?
Half a cup.
I think this is half a cup. So we're just gonna take.
Do you think?
This.
Or is it?
And just like.
Oh shit.
Oh, gotta show the camera. Is it coming out?
Almost. Harder.
I might need a spoon. Oh, wait, maybe I should just like measure it all.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh. Salty.
There we go. That's about good.
All right, that's about a half a cup. It's a bit less, but like we don't have that much. I'm not trying to go to the store.
It's better rain. No way, it's not raining.
Oh no. Oh, I gotta shut the camera.
Oh, look at that butter.
Smooth like butter.
I remember that song. That was the song back in like 2020.
The TikTok songs. All right. I got like most of it. I'll just like clean the rest of this out with my knife, but.
Whoa.
Oh my god! And now we put the butter in the microwave for 30 maybe. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks nice and creamy.
Oh.
Ooh.
Baby. I think it's a little too melted, to be honest.
It's fine. It's basically just oil. It's margarine. All right, now you gotta do what you're best at. You gotta beat it.
There you go.
All right, so we're gonna put. This is a 1/4 cup. Oh, I wasn't recording that. This is a 1/4 cup. The thing's all scratched off, but it's okay. So we're gonna take the sugar. We're gonna take the sugar. We're gonna take the sugar. Put this in.
Oh, beautiful.
And then we're gonna take. Oh, nice opening. The brown sugar. Actually, this coconut sugar was the same thing. Pour it in. And now we're gonna have to beat this until it's like
Beat that.
nice and creamy.
Hey, yo.
So we'll take
Yeah, I'm a good beater.
this whisk. Sizzle's supposed to beat it in the bathroom real quick.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
He'll beat it while he's on the couch.
I always beat it when I'm in my room.
All right, so now we're gonna pour it in. Oh,
Our flax egg.
looks like mustard. Looks
Yeah,
like
like Dijon.
Yeah. Oh my god. It's not coming out. Oh yeah, there we go. That's pretty good. All right. Eat that while I put this in the sink.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Whisking.
Yo, I'm thinking this one's really nice and fluffy and like creamy. Maybe I'm allowed beating the good.
Yeah.
And now you can smell it. It smells pretty good. It smells like nutty.
Whoa.
In a good way. But we didn't put any nuts in here. Hey, what were you doing? What were you?
Yeah.
Have you smelled it?
Yeah, I smell it. It does
Alright.
smell like nuts. I don't know. Maybe the coconut.
What coconut?
The coconut sugar.
Oh yeah. Oh wait. Oh wait. Oh wow. All right, now we're gonna put in some vanilla. So like, just take a capful. You know? You ever do that trick where you just like put a cap in?
No, I just dumped the whole bottle.
All right. Watch this insane pouring. Don't mess it up. All right, that should be good.
Oh shit. Live towards the camera.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here
Don't
we
worry,
go.
we know how to cook. Ooh,
Oh, what a pour.
we'll beat that in.
Smells so good, but tastes so bad.
Yo, it looks kind of weird, but I think it'll be good.
Better be, otherwise you're kind of screwed because you poured it.
Oh my god!
Yeah, that's a strong smell.
That vanilla's really strong. What the hell?
Because we said we eat them no matter what. So.
Yeah, we got it. We gotta at least try it. We gotta finish them. All right, now do we put? Oh, we'll put the baking soda in. Yeah, we're not doing any mixing because we don't want extra dishes.
How much? What did he say?
Half a teaspoon maybe. Yeah, again we're making our own recipe.
That's a little bit.
That's a teaspoon.
Yeah, I say we go a teaspoon.
All right. Oh, that's like.
That good, or do you want less?
Take a little bit less out. Just like use like the top of it, like that little. Yeah. Oh, that's fine. So we got that much baking soda.
Hopefully it's good. Oh shit.
Yo, it's better be like. So now we're gonna put in some salt. Big thing.
Ooh.
Ooh, you see that? Whole wheat, so it's
What a
not.
big boy.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh, it's like reacting weird.
Beat that. Oh shit.
Now it's looking good.
Oh yeah. Bang that. Bang that.
Yo! Maybe we add a bit more flour. It's like a bit wet.
Yeah.
Bit of a cup. We'll just add a quarter cup. Hopefully that doesn't fall.
Oh, bird's eye view.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Just pour until it looks good. We're taking.
Hopefully it doesn't melt in my hand because my hands are so warm.
Oh yeah, more hands.
No.
Ooh.
We need more.
Oh yeah. That. Okay.
That should be good. Okay.
It's all in the whisk.
Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah. Would you look at that?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, whoops. I'm like.
Look at that beauty.
Oh. Recording?
Yeah.
So we got this gelato scoop. Here, I'll move this over here. I don't know where the actual tray is. Okay. So hopefully it has chocolate chips in it. And we'll go like. There we go.
Beautiful. Slam that. just all getting stuck in there, right?
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Yo.
Dude, don't we have to like wait for it to rise or something in the fridge?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
That's the special people.
Yeah, that's what my sister does.
Alright, so everybody sets it for, oh, that's kitchen timer. Bake, everyone sets it for 350. We're rebels.
Oh! Extra hot.
We got Sizzles over here eating watermelon, don't worry.
Hey.
No face is shown, just, yeah. We got a dog. Alright. It's at 355, so we're gonna put this in. Ow, my hands. Ow, it's hurting. Alright, we're gonna put them in for 10 minutes and then check on them. Check on, or something. Yeah. Wow, what do we have here? Sizzles Brawl Stars playing Brawl Stars. Are you playing Brawl Stars?
Yeah, it's just not loaded. Oh, did you just turn my phone off?
No, I was seeing if it's on. Oh, there we go. Well, what do we have here? You can get the SpongeBob stuff?
No, not yet. That's next season. Look at
I
this.
thought it was this season.
Mythic 2. Mythic 2. Yes, sir.
My friend is in Legendary.
Yeah. One day.
You can make a video on that? You can actually post soon?
Maybe. I don't know. We'll see.
Alright, so we got the cookies.
Oh, yeah.
5 minutes, let's see. Let's check them out. Oh, they're actually looking pretty good.
Hopefully they taste good.
Yep. Timer's going off, but the dog sees something outside. Go get it. Alright, hopefully she doesn't dig.
You know how?
Should be good. Sizzles Brawl Stars, playing Brawl Stars.
Hey.
Don't worry, I didn't show your face. Face cam at 5,000 if you ever post a video again. Uh-oh, they did not flatten out. What's another 2 minutes? Alright, it's been 2 minutes. Let's see how they're looking. Oh no. Well, we're gonna pull them out and see. You wanna pull them out?
Okay.
You just need one, right?
I'm a strong boy.
Yeah, maybe lift it down a bit. Oh my god, no. What
They're
happened?
cookie balls.
Well, I mean... Oh no. Alright, so we're gonna test out the cookies. Oh wait, we can't show our face. That's fine. I'm gonna take a small one because I'm full as fuck from, oh no. Stuck in my hand. We'll give a reaction. Look.
Here we go.
Oh. Look at that bite. Look at that chocolate pull.
It's alright.
Alright, now I'm gonna try mine.
It's got a little weird taste, but it's not too bad.
It tastes like bread.
Uh-huh.
Oh no.
It does, but it's not bad.
Got some chocolate on your lip. Just a bit. It tastes kind of like bread, so maybe don't make a recipe and maybe like don't experiment by not using a recipe.
It's a little salty as well.
Oh, feels like it's like drying up my mouth.
Yeah.
Oh, well, we made cookies.
Woo!
This is gonna be thumbnail right here. There we go, we got it. Hopefully he's not eating chocolate. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, and stuff. Bye.